Students, do you like an egg? Tell me. I like an egg. I like boiled egg. I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. I hear with my ear. I hear with my ear. Let's start the activity.
Hope you are doing good. Children, as we have already done the sound story of letter E and learnt the vocabulary words starting with letter E, so today let us do an activity to revise the letter E and the words starting with letter E. See, I have made a cutout of an E-A envelope and I have written the letter E on that. So children, say after me, capital E, small e, small e. And the sound of E is E, E. I have made some picture cutouts of the things starting with the letter E and some cutouts which do not start with letter E. So children, I will pick up the things that start with letter E and place it on the E-A envelope. See, this is E-A elephant. And now I will place this on E-A envelope. I will place E-A elephant on E-A envelope. Okay. This is E-A engine. This is E-A engine. I will place this on the E-A envelope. This goes here. My E-A engine is on E-A envelope. What is this? This is A apple. So this does not go. Okay. What is this? This is E-A egg. So I will place my E-A egg on the E-A envelope. Yes, I will place it on the E-A envelope. So this becomes my reading card. Parents, you can try and make this same reading cards by cutting pictures from the newspapers or old magazines or drawing the pictures and let the children color them. Thank you.
Students, do you like stories? Okay, let's start the story words with E.
Letter E. The 8 Golden Eggs by Ridhima Rawal. Ella, the baby elephant, and Emma, the emu, are good friends. Ella has big ears. Emma has large eyes. One morning, they find 8 golden eggs in a cave. "Look, so many golden eggs," says Ella. They take the eggs to Captain Eagle. He keeps the eggs in an egg basket. "Thank you, my friends," says Captain Eagle. They eat lunch with him and go back home.